you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best consumer things of all time. Today I am going to make video on wireless doorbell of this year. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1: SIXWGH Wireless Doorbell. The SIXWGH Wireless Doorbell is a cutting-edge and innovative solution for home and outdoor doorbell needs. What sets it apart is its unique feature of being battery-free, relying instead on a self-powered kinetic mechanism. This not only eliminates the hassle of constantly replacing batteries, but also makes it an environmentally friendly choice. Designed to withstand various weather conditions, the SIXWGH Wireless Doorbell is waterproof, ensuring reliable performance even in rain or other adverse weather conditions. This makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, providing flexibility in installation locations. The doorbell sets come equipped with a kinetic ring chime, offering a distinctive and audible alert when someone is at the door. The wireless functionality allows for easy installation without the need for complicated wiring, making it a convenient and user-friendly choice for homeowners. With its emphasis on sustainability, durability, and user convenience, the SIXWGH Wireless Doorbell represents a modern and efficient approach to doorbell technology. It caters to the evolving needs of homeowners by offering a reliable and low-maintenance solution for doorbell systems in both indoor and outdoor settings. Product 2: PRODUCT Name: The TIA 3D Face Real-Time Intercom. TIA 3D Face Real-Time Intercom appears to be a smart security solution that integrates several advanced technologies to enhance access control for doors. Here's a breakdown of the mentioned features. 3D face recognition. This suggests the use of advanced facial recognition technology that captures and analyzes facial features in 3 dimensions. This can provide a higher level of accuracy and security compared to traditional 2D facial recognition. Real-time intercom. The inclusion of real-time intercom functionality implies that the device allows two-way communication. This feature is often useful for remote verification and communication with individuals at the door, providing an additional layer of security and convenience. Smart door lock. The term smart door lock suggests that the device is not just a traditional lock, but incorporates smart technology for remote access control, monitoring, and management. Security camera. The integration of a security camera surveillance. This feature is commonly found in modern smart doorbell systems. Intelligent fingerprint. Biometric authentication through fingerprints is a common feature in modern security systems. It adds an extra layer of security, allowing authorized individuals to unlock the door using their unique fingerprints. Password and electronic key unlock. Multiple authentication methods, such as password entry and electronic key unlock, provide users with flexibility in choosing the most convenient and secure way to access the secured area. TIA platform integration. The mention of TIA suggests that this device is likely part of the TIA smart home ecosystem. TIA is a platform that enables the integration and control of various smart devices through a unified interface. In summary, the TIA 3D Face Real-Time Intercom appears to be a comprehensive smart door lock and security system that leverages advanced technologies like 3D face recognition, real-time intercom, and various authentication methods to provide. Product 3: PRODUCT Name: A wireless doorbell system. A wireless doorbell system typically consists of a transmitter, button, and a receiver. Here's a breakdown of the key features often associated with such devices. Wireless connectivity. Wireless doorbells use radio frequency or other wireless technologies to transmit signals between the doorbell button and the receiver. This eliminates the need for complicated wiring during installation. Waterproof design. The term waterproof in the product description suggests that the doorbell button is designed to withstand exposure to water, making it suitable for outdoor use. This is important for maintaining functionality in various weather conditions. Self-powered button. Some doorbell models feature self-powered buttons, which means they might use alternative power sources like kinetic energy or solar power to generate the required electrical power for the button's operation. This can contribute to a more sustainable and hassle-free setup. Smart features. The term smart doorbell sets indicates that the door beyond basic functionality. This could include compatibility with smart home ecosystems, mobile app integration, or other intelligent features. Home welcome chimes. The inclusion of home welcome in the description suggests that the doorbell system might offer customizable chimes or tones for when someone presses the button. This can be a way to personalize the doorbell experience. Outdoor and indoor use. The mention of outdoor house chimes receiver suggests that the receiver is designed for indoor use, and it can produce audible alerts when the doorbell is pressed. This is a common setup to ensure that you can hear the doorbell from different parts. Product 4PRODUCT name: the SmartIA 1080p Wi-Fi Doorbell. SmartIA 1080p Wi-Fi Doorbell is a cutting-edge smart home device designed to enhance the security and convenience of your home entrance. This doorbell features a high-resolution 1080p camera equipped with an eye peephole, ensuring clear and detailed visuals of anyone approaching your doorstep. The inclusion of a 4.3-inch passive infrared (FHD) full high-definition infrared camera enhances the device's ability to detect motion accurately, providing an extra layer of security. With its built-in 5000 mAh battery, the SmartIA doorbell ensures reliable and continuous operation, reducing the need for frequent recharging. The audio capabilities of this device enable two-way communication, allowing users to interact with visitors in real time via the integrated microphone and speaker. This feature is particularly useful for remote communication or providing instructions to delivery persons such as Alexa and Google, further enhances its usability. Users can receive announcements and alerts through these voice-activated platforms, adding an extra layer of convenience to their smart home ecosystem. Additionally, the device is equipped with a digital viewer, offering a modern and tech-savvy approach to traditional peephole functionality. Overall, the SmartIA 1080p Wi-Fi doorbell combines advanced technology, high-quality imaging, and smart integration to deliver a comprehensive solution for home security. Product 5PRODUCT name: the Outdoor Wireless Doorbell. The outdoor wireless doorbell you've described offers a convenient and versatile solution for home entrances. Its wireless nature eliminates the need for complex installations and messy wiring, providing hassle-free setup. The waterproof design ensures durability and functionality in various weather conditions, making it suitable for outdoor use. One notable feature is the push-button self-powered mechanism, eliminating the need for batteries. This not only reduces maintenance efforts, but also contributes to a more environmentally friendly and sustainable solution. The acrylic panel adds a touch of modern aesthetics, while also providing durability against outdoor elements. With a selection of 38 different songs, the doorbell allows users to customize their preferred ringtone, adding a personal touch to their home entrance. This variety ensures that users can choose a sound that suits their style and preference. In summary, the outdoor wireless doorbell with a waterproof, self-powered, and acrylic panel.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.